Hey everybody, it's Alex with Lafontaine Classic Cars. Here we have a 1963 Corvair convertible. It's a Monza edition sporting a beautiful aqua exterior with a matching blue interior. It's got a functional white convertible top. It also has a matching blue cover for when you want to put the top down. This car's got all of its chrome pieces from front to back. And for a car that has over 46,000 miles, according to the odometer, I'd say it looks pretty good. There's no pitting going on. And the headlights look clear. The door jambs are spotless, as well as the interior. In our front area, we have plenty of cargo space, as well as a bunch of goodies, including matching paint, original hubcaps, a spare wheel, as well as several documents from previous owners. In the engine compartment, we'll see we have a solid 145 cubic inch aluminum air-cooled, horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. This is a well cared for example and runs and drives great. Handbrake is fully functional. The gear shifter is different than it is in 2020, and it's a lever. Safety check in the 1963 Corvair reveals the horn works, but there are no seat belts from the factory. This vehicle accelerates just fine. The wipers work. And today I'm thankful that the AC works. The AM radio functions perfect.
Flashing light on the dashboard, wouldn't you? I would think so.
And the whiter doesn't look too bad. There's very much speculation behind the cornering abilities of the Corvair, but I don't know what anybody's complaining about. This thing seems to handle just fine. All right, everyone, thank you for watching. This has been Lafontaine Classic Cars. This is a 1963 Corvair convertible with just under 50,000 miles. Feel free to give us a call with any questions, 248-714-2110. Thank you.